Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. I am TANESHIARANAYE, and before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell button so you won't miss when I make a new upload. And let's jump into this video. So TT Talk today. Okay, hold on. Before we get started, please, I just wanted to let everyone know, check the description box. I put a lot of information down there, a lot of details. I put all the products I use, links to the music that I use, and then also I put links to makeup that I wear, or if I don't put a link, I at least put the item and then the shade or color that I use. That way you have all of the information from my video down below. And even if I don't put like a location, like a store, I definitely at least put the product there, and then you can look it up by its actual name. So I try to get really descriptive in the description box. Okay. And then also feel free to comment. It does help me to figure out what you like. So just hit that like button like you want to do now after this video, and make sure you're subscribing. I can see the analytics, you know. I can see that 90% of you are watching but not subscribed. So I'm gonna need that 90 to go a little bit lower, like 50 or less. Subscribe, okay? Anyway, so let's move along. I know I played too much entirely. In today's video, we're definitely going to talk about finger detangling. So TT Talk is all about just those trial and error, sometimes trial, very much error. Finger detangling is the topic today because a lot of people want to do it and do. However, it's controversial, but sometimes when you see your favorite beauty vlogger, YouTuber, finger detangle, they have nails, and I mean like acrylic or gel tip, anything with like a fake nail. So that finger detangling that they do can also be saw as a detangling agent, because the nails can do it. Or even if they're parting their hair and they're like, oh, I'm going to finger part it, their nails are there to assist them. And I feel like sometimes that can be a little deceiving for the everyday person that just wants to learn how to do their natural hair and also wants to finger detangle, but they think that finger detangling is difficult. But sometimes you just have to notice that whoever is finger detangling may be using acrylic nails, and that again can be used as a detangling agent, even though they're not using like a wide tooth comb or a brush, a tangle teaser, a Felicia Leatherwood brush. I don't really care what the brush is that they're using or the comb is that they're using, but nails could be also used as a form of deception. If you are having difficulty finger detangling and you don't wear fingernails. So for me, I don't wear fake nails. No shade to those that do, because they're cute, they're bomb. I follow a lot of them on Instagram. But for me, finger detangling is definitely going to be true my fingers. If I make a crooked part in my head, promise I'm going to have to follow up with a rat tail comb, a wide tooth comb, anything to kind of make it like perfect, if I'm talking about perfection. But sometimes acrylic nails can help you make a better part, because you can use it as a comb in a sense. And I'm a little, you know, I'm just saying. So if you're having difficulty finger detangling, just realize that whoever you could be watching could also have acrylic nails, and that does help them in detangling their hair. So in order to combat that, basically you just have to realize that you're going to have to be a little bit more gentle. You're going to have to be a little bit more thorough when detangling your hair if you're doing finger detangling using your actual hands without any nail assistance. And also that's when you want to make sure you get a good product with some slip, or you know, the glide. You want to make sure you got something with the glide, sis or bro, because that's going to really help you detangle your hair in the long run. and also help you avoid breakage. I don't care if you're using your fingernails, a comb, a brush. No matter what, you want to avoid breakage. Breakage is the cause of, you know, split ends, and then that hair length and healthy hair journey that we all want to seek could be brought to a halt if we're not trimming our ends and doing what we need to do to keep our healthy hair healthy. So yeah, TT Talk, I'm relating to that because for a long time I was like, why my finger detangling look like it's not being effective, but their finger detangling is looking like it's being effective? I'm confused. I'm confused. And that's why I had to realize I don't wear fake nails. So I have to be a little bit more diligent and focused and careful about how I detangle my hair, because I am truthfully finger, no nail detangling. So sound off down below if anybody else notices. Is this just me or is it somebody else? I don't know. Maybe it's one of those things where, you know, nails also maybe makes the video more appealing, just like makeup. I don't have no problem throwing on makeup, but I do not like fake nails, and that's just me. And I have no shade towards those that wear it because I think they're beautiful. They're just not my preference. So let me know down below if you ever noticed that. Did you notice that they're using the fingernails? And if so, you know, just remember, look past their method and do what works for you, because I know a lot of ladies that do wear fake nails and that can help you, but also that can hinder you because sometimes hangnails can cause breakage as well. Just make sure you're taking care of your fingernails, whether they're acrylic, whether they're natural, and whenever it pertains to finger detangling, remember you have to be gentle regardless of what you're doing. And if you don't have acrylic fingernails, make sure you are taking the time to use your great product with careful handling of your beautiful strands. So guys, it was a quick video, super quick, super quick. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. I don't care if you share the video. I love sharing the videos. I just feel like information and knowledge is always better than you know, lack of knowledge. And when it comes down to your hair, in this particular case, you want to be able to get great advice, great knowledge, great tips from the internet. Period. You know, it's the age of social media. So I hope to see you watching me in my next video. Bye guys.